Today, we share a milestone that means so much to all of us. The biggest launch of the year, all new Vivo X300 series.
Our mission is not just about technology. It's about delivering an extraordinary imaging experience.
Would it surprise you if I say that we are doing the live webcast of this event through our X300 Pro?
How far is too far? The Vivo Zeiss 2.35x telephoto extender.
It is compact in size, smoother to touch, easy to hold.
So let's dive into what it makes special, starting with the heart of the experience, Origin OS 6. The X300 is built for people who live fast, move often, and expect zero compromise.